Hi, I'm Mehar and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Femina. After applying a primer, take some foundation and blend it using a damp beauty blender. Next, apply concealer under your eyes to conceal the dark circles or puffiness if you have any. Dampen your beauty blender with some setting spray and start blending out your concealer. Doing this will make sure that your base does not budge the entire day. Now, using a flat brush, apply cream contour just below the cheekbones for a more sculpted look. Use the same brush to blend it fully. You can even layer it with more bronzer later if you like. Let's set this base by using the translucent powder like I am. Now it's time to add some color onto your face by using a bright pink blush. During this step, also be sure to blend out the excess powder from under your eyes and cheekbones. For highlighting, I am using a tapered fan brush and applying the product on all the high points of my face such as my cheekbones, temples and the tip of my nose. Now for the eyes, I am going to start by priming my lids using a concealer. This gives it an even base. You can even use an eyeshadow primer. Now use the lightest shade from your palette and apply it all over your lids, then apply a nude or a light brown shade in your crease. Now begin applying a darker brown shade in the outer corner of your eye and blend it in circular motion. This should already give you that smoky eye. Now using a cream liner, I'll make a wing and smudge it out using the dark brown shadow from earlier. Now fill in your brows using pomade and apply some highlighter on your brow bone to make them look more defined. To complete the eye look, I am going in with some mascara and coating it on my lashes for some volume. For the lips, I am going with a deep pink shade. Lastly, I will set my full face of makeup by applying some setting spray. And that's it. This is your final look.